Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously. That is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line. It served its purpose for now. But as far as the price action is concerned, so I'm not saying this towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. But as far as how the price has behaved, how the price has acted, I mean, this thing is officially just a pump and dump. I mean, think about what happened. The price exploded upwards, and now look at where the price is. Quite literally right back to where it started, which is the definition of a pump and dump. Now, the interesting part here, and this is what, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but when you see price movements like this, and then the price does consolidate out, goes sideways next to interesting areas, I'm not going to say it's a guarantee to happen. Those don't exist, but it's at least a valid and rational thought that, maybe there could be some sort of, snapback type bounce. And that's where 20 cents comes into play, because you got to give credit where credit's due. Sure, the price did go back to essentially where it started, but then the price just basically went sideways for the rest of the day. Again, I wish I could say trading was this easy where, just because the price went sideways, that means that for sure this is the bottom. I'm not saying that. But again, is it a rational thought to have? Yeah, absolutely. So keep an eye on 20 cents. And if the price can continue to hold above there, then maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom here that's forming. And there might be some sort of attempted movement back to the upside. If there is any sort of movement back to the upside, key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that level right there. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that 22 cent mark was the level of support that you wanted to see the price stay up above. But now that the price is back below it, that is why that would now be considered the area of resistance. So yeah, overall, like I said, in summary, this turned out to just be one big old pump and dump. But I don't know. We'll see if the price can try to get some sort of, snapback type rally or not on Friday or early next week. So we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.